In this video, you are going to learn how to edit videos on your phone. What's up guys, I'm Andy. If you like what you see in this video or you learned something new, please consider subscribing. My preferred method of editing videos on a smartphone is to use iMovie or the Splice app, which is made by GoPro. But unfortunately, those two apps are only available for iPhone. So I'm going to show you how to use another video editing app that I really like for iPhone and Android called InShot. So let's open up InShot and do a little bit of video editing. I've got a new project going right here within InShot. So I added a couple of video clips, and if you want to add a video clip and link different clips together, you can just scroll to the end of the timeline down at the bottom, press the little plus sign, and then add a new video clip from your camera roll. But let's look at some of the features that we can do right here within the app. So I've got my initial video clip here, and let's say that I want to cut out a very specific part of this video clip. So I'm going to stop it really quick. So what you can do is tap on that clip, then press trim. Now there's three different ways I can trim this clip. I can trim from the ends, I can cut end points out and like cut out the middle, I guess, or I can split the clip at a very specific point. So this is useful if you want to throw in a transition at a very specific point of the clip. But for most of the purposes, you probably want to cut out a little bit of the beginning, maybe a little bit of the ending when you stopped and started the recording. So let me cut out a little bit of the beginning, and then I'll cut out a little bit of the ending, and then I'm going to press the check mark when I'm done. Okay, so now that first clip is a lot shorter. I kind of like where it's at. Now let's look at this second clip. Maybe I want to trim this one as well. So let me see kind of how the clip looks. Okay, so maybe I want to kind of start like right around here.
What's so shocking? She's been so still. We were like, wait, she moves.
And then I'll trim that end part where they kind of start to stop playing. Okay, so I've got my two trims down. Now, if I want to do a very specific type of transition right there in between, I can tap that little line for the transition. And the top row of black transitions with the black circles are free. The bottom ones, you have to pay in-app upgrades to use those. So I can find just one of these ones that I like, and I can change the time for how long it takes to transition. So if there's one of those ones that I like, I can just press the check mark, and there you see down there at the bottom, we've got the transition. Now, something else you can do right here within the app is you can add text. So if I just press the text button, I can add, I'll do Remy and Rue. Those are our dogs' names. I can resize it, drag it, resize it, put it wherever I want. Maybe I want to put it down here. Okay. Press check. Now, if I want that to be there for the whole film, I can just drag right here and drag the text for the full length of the clip. So now you can see it's during the entire length of the clip. If I only wanted it during a section of the clip, I could drag the lines and make it appear only in a certain section. Some other things you can do is you can add filters, you can add background music, you can add fun stickers or whatever. You can change the speed. So if there's a section you wanted to speed up or slow down, you could just add the clip or split the clip or trim the clip, whatever, and then change the speed of that specific clip. But this is the pretty basic features of the app, and obviously you can play around with it, see what some of the other features do, mess around, and then when you're done, you're just gonna press share, or excuse me, share button, but you can just press save right there in the top of the screen. Gonna process the video for you, and you'll be able to find it right in your camera roll when it's finished. There you go, right there in my camera roll, there's the finished video that you can use for Instagram or YouTube or wherever else you want to put it. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up on this button, leave me a comment, and let me know what questions you have about this video, or just give me a nice hashtag, loved it, hashtag like this video, whatever you thought of the video, and we'll see you guys in the next video.